Hi everyone, welcome to Illustrator tutorial. This video will focus on how to trace the image using the pen tool. So I just copy a love shape from the Google and now I paste into my Illustrator. But this one is too big, so I just make it smaller and put it in the middle of my artboard. Okay, still too big, make it smaller. Okay, just nice. Okay, so after I paste in here, I go to the right panel here and then layer panel. Just double click on the layer 1 here. Okay, so it will pop up a layer option dialog. So what I need to do now is maybe you can change the name. I just change it to background layer image trace. Okay, so the color you can change to the visible color. Maybe you change to green. Just don't put it as yellow because it's very difficult for us to see. And then we check on the lock here and then also check on the dim images to 50%. So check on lock and dim images and then press on OK. So once you press OK, you can see that the image is lighter color and then this layer is also locked. So you can see that you can't do any, when you mouse over the artboard here, you can't apply anything. Okay, so what we need to do now is open a new layer. In the layer panel here at the bottom, you can see there's create new layer, just click on it. So the layer 2 will appear on the top of the background layer. Okay, so we can, on this layer 2, we can start our image trace. But this one, you just make the fill into none and then the stroke to white color, and then the stroke you make it whiter so it's easier for us to see. So once you've done all the settings, fill change to none, stroke is black color, and then is stroke weight here you can change to 5 or 4, and then we can start to trace now. Okay. Before we trace, we need to select the pen tool. So which one will be the pen tool? Just at the bottom of the selection tool here, when you mouse over, it will show you the pen tool, or the shortcut is P. Just click on the pen tool, then you mouse over the artboard here. Okay, then you can start to trace. So how to use the pen tool? And the middle, we have to create different points so it can connect together to create a shape. So first of all, we just create a half of the shape, the love shape here. So later we use the rotation tool to reflect to the other side. Okay, so we just find a middle point here, which is this one, and then click and drag your mouse until you see both the line will be appear here, and then you release. Don't drag too long, it's just nice enough. Okay, so I explained a little bit on this pen tool. At the middle here, when you mouse over, it will show you the anchor. So anchor, which means the point that you created, whereby there is a 2 dotted here, is when you mouse over, it will show you the handle. What is meant by handle? Handle is something for you to adjust later on using the direct selection tool, which means now you didn't create a straight line here, you just created a point. Okay, so don't be confused. And also when you use the pen tool, don't create something like this. Try to put as many points as possible, because this will make the edge become very weird. So what we need to do is try to create as less as point as possible so we can create a very smooth line. Okay, so I just create another point here. How to do? Click and drag. Okay, so we will slowly show you there's a red line here following the shape, and then when you pull, you do not release your mouse here. You can see that you are actually pulling the handle. Okay, maybe you don't need to pull too many. Okay, for the first time, you don't need to make it to perfect because we can adjust it later. So we just make it similar to the to the shape we'll do. Okay, so then we go to the bottom here to find the same center point as at the beginning, and then we click and drag again. Okay, maybe this one into another point here. Okay, it doesn't matter that the curve like move out because we can adjust it later, so we just create a point first and then find a center point at the bottom, click and drag. Okay, so the curve is not perfect now. What we need to do, we go to the selection tool here, use the selection tool, but beside the selection tool, we need to use the direct selection tool. Just beside the selection tool, the white color cursor here, just click on this one. So what is the use for the direct selection tool? This one is for you to adjust the anchor point and also your handle. Okay, so what we need to do now is we use the direct selection tool and then click on the starting point here one time, so the Illustrator know that you want to adjust this starting point, this anchor point, and then after you click in, it will pop up two handle here. Then you can start to adjust the handle again to pull or push. Try to make it similar to the image. Okay. If the weight is the stroke weight is too big, you can adjust it later. So now I adjust another point here. So I just click on the second anchor point so that Illustrator know that I want to edit the second point. Then I try to play around with the handle. Okay. Okay, you can see that this will move again. So I just put it in and adjust a bit. Don't make the handle to be too long, so it's difficult to adjust. Okay. Okay. Just estimate how many points you want so that you can adjust it later. Okay, then try to go to another. So if you want to move the anchor point, just click on the anchor point and then you can move it. Adjust the handle. Okay. So it's not perfect. Try to adjust it again. So this may take some time for you to do it, especially beginner, because you are not familiar with the pen tool. Okay. Okay, for example like this. So what we need to do now is use the selection tool to select this stroke here, and then we try to use the rotation or the reflect tool to reflect it to the other side. So after you use the selection to select it, then we click on the rotate tool, hold down the rotate tool, and then you will see the rotate tool or reflect tool. We just click on the reflect tool. Okay. So it will show you how you're going to reflect. But if you're not familiar with it, just use the rotate tool. We click on the rotate tool, then we can start to, or you can just double click. So check on the preview so you can see which angle you want to rotate. Okay, so we just use the 360 or 0 and then check on preview. Don't press OK, just press on copy. Okay, so it will create another stroke when you put it out. Use a selection to put it out. You can see that. So if you want to rotate it, okay, how to do it? You can go over the, use the reflect tool. Okay, select the reflect tool and then you double click. Once you double click, you can see how you're going to reflect. You want to horizontally and then vertically, but make sure you check on the preview because this one we already rotated. So we just click on OK. So we see this one will be the other half. Just try to make it to the intersect with the point. Okay, just if you uncheck your background, so this will be the love shape that you created. You can just select both and then right click to group it so you can move it freely. You can change the color. It's up to you how you're going to edit this love shape. So this is the pen tool image trace. Thank you for watching.